Hi, this is Matt with Multifamily Inspection Services, and we are at a property in Jacksonville. And this property that's having some foundation issues, and you can see they're placing in piers now to help support the foundation. But I wanted to show you a good example of settlement cracks. A lot of structures have settlement cracks, and a lot of them can be normal. But when you see cracks like this that have that vertical displacement, that's considered excessive. And at that point you would want to get a structural engineer to come take a look at things. And that's what's happened here. So they got their work cut out for them. A lot of this water is groundwater. It's making the job very challenging for them. All right, signing off.